Welcome back. Anti-narcotic cell of police seized drugs worth 10 crore in a raid conducted at Pere Anjuna. They have arrested one Italian national in possession of 30,750 square-shaped pieces of LSD paper and 4.7 grams of LSD. This is one of the biggest drug haul in Goa recent years. The accused has been visiting Goa since last 14 years on tourist and business visas.
And on interrogation and searching, they found some LSD paper in his custody. Later on, our team went to his house. House address is given there. We got LSD paper of highest quantity ever in the history of Goa. That is 30,750 square-shaped pieces of LSD. In international market, the cost is around 10 crores, 9 to 10 crores.
However, the accused says he is innocent and the drugs belong to his brother who died last year.
Nothing on my body, all in the house, and I was living with my brother. That's why my brother died last year, 10 of December. No, I don't test this thing, I don't use this thing, and I don't sell this thing. This was just there, I'm innocent.
Meanwhile, Chief Minister and Home Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar visited Vasco police station on Saturday. Parsekar had meeting with police officers and discussed the Vasco double murder case. He feels that police should overcome their lethargic attitude.
I am sure the way investigation is moving, it would be cracked down in next 3 to 4 days. इतले हांव सांगूंक शकता. जाल्यार ही अत्यंत लाजिरवाणी गजाल जाल्या आमकां खूब शिकपाचें आसा. हातून आमकां म्हणजे पुलिशेक खूब म्हणजे जे आरोप येतात तातूंत थोडे बहुत तथ्य आसा. आमची लेथार्जी आनी आळशीपणां ही घालोवंक जाय.
Dishan Parab with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
CCP transferred JNNREM funds of 100 crores sanctioned for Baingani Solid Waste Management Plant to the GSIDC. But then CM Parrikar did not allow this project. Parrikar was never serious about development of Panji. He even failed to solve garbage crisis in hometown Mapsa during his tenure as Chief Minister. GPCC spokesperson Kautankar claims Baingani locals not object if government takes them into confidence in a transparent manner.
JNRUM is a Congress government scheme, UPA government scheme, JNRUM, Jawaharlal Nehru Urban Renewal Mission. So, हे स्कीमीच्या अंडर बायगिणीन सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट प्लांटाक 100 कोटी रुपया सँक्शन करून घेतले. तेन्ना पणजेचो सुरेश फुर्ताद मेयर आसलो, ताणें खूब प्रयत्न केले, जो आज पणजेचो कॅन्डिडेट जावन आसा. आनी सो CCP ट्रान्सफर्ड देअर प्रोजेक्ट टू GSIDC. आता तुम्ही हांगा मजा पळया, पणजेचो तेन्ना आमदार आसलो पयलींचो मुख्यमंत्री बाब पर्रीकार, तोच आसलो GSIDCचो चेअरमॅन. प्रायोरिटीचेर हो प्लांट कंप्लीट जावपाक जाय आसलो. बायगिणीचो प्लांट कंप्लीट जावपाकूच दिलो ना. अजून पर्यंत टेंडरींग सुद्दां जावना प्लांटाचें. म्हापशेचो गार्बेज डंप करपाक अलाव करचो म्हणून जेन्ना मुख्यमंत्र्यान सांगलें तेन्ना CCP ते अग्री जाले. त्याच बरोबर एक कोण तरी मनीस इंडिव्हिज्युअल ताणें आपले खंयचे तरी आपल्या भुरग्याच्या काय कोणाच्या नांवान एक कंपनी फ्लोट केली आनी नॉर्थ गोवाच्या सगळ्या हॉटेलाची गार्बेज कलेक्ट करपाक लागलो. सो जेन्ना इतली गार्बेज आयली थंयचे लोकल लोकांक भयंकर त्रास जालो. लोकांच्या मनात फियर सायकोसीस तयार जाली. लोक कोर्टान गेले, कोर्टान तो प्लांट बंद उडयलो. हे जावपाक जबाबदार आसलो पणजेचो आमदार. कित्याक ताणें पणजेची गार्बेजीचे जाग्यार हाडून दुसऱ्या भागांत एज अ मुख्यमंत्री तो केपेबल आसलो की म्हापशेची गार्बेज घालपाक म्हापशाच्या खंयच्या तरी वाठारांत थंय प्लांट ऑर कितें तरी रेडी करपाचें.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.